This is the pattern I use to do the door frame. You can see it in the lesson 73, the latest one I had done it. So you can go and see there. And it looks good. And this can be your tabletops or your chair backs. You can do that. Or you can do, I'm going to do this as a door frame thing. Like that. You can use this pattern as many ways. Bedspread, bag. You can do bag too. Yeah. This one, I didn't put any beads there. Looks good. Hope you like it. This is the decoration I'm doing it for the lesson the 73. See more of my house decoration. That one was just an experiment. This is not finished. My screen. And another one more. Decorate with a frame. Push cushion. Inside it's all the Milon's thread, the leftover threads, and the brown color. What do you call it? This is what I use, and it is a lot of it in there, in the elephant's seat. Curtains, and you go down, and my crochet. So early morning when I get up, wake up, the down lights will show me it's time to wake up. This is my DIY side table or bedside table. Made this in the PUC